Welcome to Madeira underwater event. We have 78 persons from 7 countries in this event, and they are capturing underwater footages on photo and video of the 2 main islands of Madeira.
It's my first time in this kind of competitions. I'm really happy to be here. The thing that I'm enjoying most is the energy, the partnership between all the competitors, and I made a lot of friends here, so for me this is the best.
I keep coming to this kind of competition because I like to always improve myself, and for me I really need this challenge to make something better than the last time.
For me at this point it was a unique event because also one of the reasons is we had 2 places where the competition was happening, and also it was amazing to see how people are interacting with each other, friendly, kindly, and the spirit all over was perfect.
What I expected was to meet a lot of people, a lot of different divers, a lot of experienced people, and I did, so I'm very happy with the result. I think I made a bunch of good acquaintances for the future.
I keep coming to these competitions because it's a great opportunity to meet people with the same passion as I have, and sharing our knowledges between us in a way to make something even better.
I'm here in my first competition and I decided to participate because I want to learn more with these best and very experienced photographers and videographers.
For me as an underwater model, it's always good to be in these competitions because I love these peoples and I love to be underwater. I love this underwater world.
By the way, the category of smart devices was the perfect step to show up. People can do such nice things with an iPhone or smartphone or whatever.
The best part is the friendship between the buddies, because we share experiences. You see a lot of the beautiful things in the water, and come the next year because it's amazing.